All right, guys, gonna do a quick Discord tutorial, exactly how our Discord works. Welcome page, disclaimer, rules, very self-explanatory. I'm not gonna go over it. You guys can check those channels out. Announcements page. This is where we post anything that is important. For example, today I posted that we're gonna have a class or Q&A session on Thursday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern time. So anything that we think is important, we will post this channel. Suggestions, if there is anything that we can fix or add or delete, please post it here because we want to keep our Discord comfortable as possible for you guys. Upgrade to pro channel. This is where if you don't like us, if you can't trade anymore, you just head to this channel, type downgrade, um, and I think it's slash downgrade, and then the link will pop up and you'll be able to manage your subscription. Free trading room. This is for basically, Elkin's tweets come out here for his flow, and then just any free member that wants to talk, or if you guys want to talk in the free chat, go free. Profits. This is where you guys, if you guys want to post your profits, please do so. Don't have to, but why not? And if you do have a Twitter or Instagram, don't make sure to put your handle there, so we can tag you guys and yeah, just tag you guys and show the people that you guys are doing well. Invite link. This is if you want to refer any friends or family, you get 40% off each month that they stay. And all you have to do is type slash refer and you copy this link right here. You send it to your friends or family, and if they use that link, you will get that referral credit. Coffee break, anything that has to do or anything that doesn't have to do with stocks. You can talk about sports, gambling, whatever. Whatever. Testimonial, like us. Feel free to type a, I don't know, one sentence, two sentence testimonial if you really want. No pressure. Hustlers channel. I mean, we made this. I mean, it seems like no one's really using it, but you guys want to talk about what you guys do. If there's any projects that you guys are working on, feel free to put it in there. Unusual whales. I am still working on this bot. I'm not sure why it's not connected. So this is a work in progress. Golden sweeps. This is just another options bot. Any premium above 1 million, it will pop up here. Stock AI. We have a whole document of codes that you guys can use to see net inflow, net outflow, all sorts of data that you can pull up, and I will send you guys that document as soon as possible. Same goes with the unusual whales activity. There's different codes. I think if you just type um, slash and then head to the whales, yeah, unusual whales bot. There's all the what's it called? All the data for anything. If you just type in slash. All right, the small accounts alerts. Again, analyst alerts. This is where the alerts will be posted. The buys and sells. Okay, small accounts. Use your brain. No, if it's a premium under 2, that's a small account. If it's above 4, it's a large account. Right? You don't have to play all the alerts. They are there for you. Okay, so for example, this is my format. So this is me posting an alert. So STX is the ticker, 60 is the strike. It's a call, $9 premium. We're paying $109 per contract. 10/28 is the expiration, and also earnings is the 26th. This means actually STX, I made an error. This means that I sold 10 contracts out of 15 at 122, meaning that I have 5 contracts left. Now, as I said before, and I'll say it again, you have small accounts. If I trim, you sell everything, right? You don't have to, but I recommend you to. Take those profits and move on to the next trade. Now, as far as fills, if it's at $9 and you see it at $10 on your options chain or $11, ask yourself, should I pay $2 more? Honestly, $2 is not a big difference, right? Unless you're buying 1,000 contracts. Okay, then obviously it starts uh, getting more expensive. Just ask yourself, how much are you willing to pay per contract and how much you're willing to risk. If you don't see a stop loss on the alert, you have to take responsibility and set your own stop. We can't babysit you all the time, right? Just use your brain. Okay? Large accounts again, these are bigger premiums, 315, not that big, but these do get big. LRCX 4.4. So the big ones will be here. EVA, do not ignore EVA. Yes, I know Elka and I are the main people here, but EVA is one of our biggest assets of OWLS. She has great analysis. She has great alerts. So do not miss out on EVA. Now, sometimes SPX her alerts move fast, right? But that's SPX. So it all comes down to if you're willing to pay that premium. Main chat, obviously, uh, anything stock related, flow related, whatever, right? Come on. This is like self-explanatory. Peons, flow tweets. Obviously, these are all the tweets that I post. 99% of our flow. Now, this doesn't mean every tweet you see, like for example, BBWY 40 call 12/16 expiration. Okay? Don't just hop in, right? This is just me posting what I'm seeing on flow. Okay. What I like, I alert. What I don't like, or that I just don't feel like I should enter yet based on my charts, I won't post. I won't alert it. Right. So if you're looking at these flow posts, always match it with your charts. Don't just blindly fall and say, hey, did anyone get into AMD? Did anyone get into uh whatever the name is? I'm down 40%. Well, did you match it with your charts? Probably not. You just entered blindly. So ask us, look at your charts, and we'll go from there. Daily watch list. This is obviously where we put our watch list out every night. Nothing new. OWLS news. This is where all the news gets posted. Now, if you don't like the news, it sometimes does get annoying. You're on PC. Right click, notification settings. I think you just do all messages, or you click mute channel. I can just do this. I even mute it for now because I'm on Twitter every second. Click mute channel until I turn it back on. And you can do that with every other channel. Live voice chat, I'm on. Elkin's on every day. I'll be posting, or not posting, I'll be showing my flow, and then charts as well whenever I feel like I want to switch it up. So feel free to join. You don't have to talk. You can just literally sit. Mentorship program, these channels are not visible unless you're a part of our mentorship program. More details on our website. Trading support, if there's anything, questions that you guys may have, put it here so it doesn't get lost. Same as risk management. If you have any tips on risk management, post it. Don't be afraid. If you think there's something that you guys like, or works for you, post it here. It'll help other members, I'm sure. Newsletter. This is where I feel like when I want to type up a newsletter, this is posted obviously in this channel. Earnings report. This is obviously where all the earnings are posted. So if you're looking for specific earnings, it will be in this channel. Basics, if there's any, we haven't really posted much in here recently, but if there's any video that you think is good, or any basic terminology that you think is good, feel free to post it in the channel. Videos, this is where we post our YouTube videos, and this specific Discord video will be posted this channel as well. So that's basically it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask us. Thanks.